Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes. Today we'll see about LSMW. Okay. A legacy system migration workbench.
Okay.
Here, what happens? Like here, you're uploading all the data. Okay, during implementation of the project in the mass way.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. We'll go for this. Execute now. LSMW. LSMW. Okay. There are. See, next go for your create entry.
Okay.
Okay, go for your new entry. Like it is nothing but a new entry you have to create, and here like some methods are there.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, what are those methods? Like I'll show create entry. First you go for this create entry, go and create a project. Okay, we can use like existing one also. Okay,
Okay.
someone has created and I can directly upload it if everything is fine, but always you have to prepare our own
Okay.
project. Yes, now I'll go for example, say Vinish. Okay, hyphen C1.
Okay.
One, I'll put something like that. Okay. Here, create of equipment. We'll see.
Okay.
Yes, create of equipment. Continue. Next, go for your description part. Sub project, like automatically it has come. It has taken is this name. Okay. And again, I'll mention create of the equipment. Okay. Continue. Next, like object. You have to create what object. Okay. For that also create of equipment. Okay, first like it is project, a sub project and object. Okay, continue. Now, yes, now once it is there, whatever objects of project, then go for your recordings. Okay, here what happens, recording method we are going to use in the LSMW. This is the method I was talking about. Recording method. In interview, they'll ask on which method like you have worked on. You have to tell like recording method. That is called batch input recording method. Okay, this is like majorly used. You can tell we were using this in our company. Yes.
Okay.
If they ask like whether you know other methods, no, I was working on this method only.
Okay.
Okay, majority we are going to use this method and we have to do it like independently. Earlier this LSMW was used by means ABAPers. Okay, now it has come to functional consultants only. Some past like 5-6 years, functional consultants only are doing without any help of the ABAPers. Okay, other methods like if you go, we require an ABAPers help. So we'll do it like independently. Okay, recording method, and this is like batch input recording method it is called. Now I'll go for this recording method. What is this particular recording method? Means here whatever I do, it will be recorded according to that particular recording. The system will act the same way. Okay, so our equipment first, like I'll go for another one tab. Okay, next tab because like in my case spacebar doesn't work, that's why what I'll go, I'll just like copy certain things. Yeah, I'll go and create some one equipment, right, in a recording method. So I'll have certain things in my just I'll put like object type as this file tool if I forget. Okay, rest everything I can give on my own. Then I'll go for production area. Example, say this is one. This also I remember. This I don't require. Yeah, and what else I require? Organization. This I anyway I'll remember. Okay, this planner group, you can give your planner group, whatever. Have we created any planner groups our own? No.
Not sir. Is this server? No.
No, right? Yes. Delete. I'll go for this. There's so many 101, 2, 3, something like that. Okay. This much I'll copy. Okay, till here, like I'll copy all this stuff.
How you are copying?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you why I'm copying. Planner group. Okay, I'll copy this much. Okay, for my understand, first thing, I'll tell the reason why I should go for work center. Let it be the same. Okay, here function location, I'll keep this particular function location. Okay, this, or if you know any function locations, we can attach to that also. Okay, I'll go for this particular function location. M is fine. Location, this is also fine. This is also fine. Everything is okay for me. No issues with this. Okay, no issues with this. Oh, right. Yeah, that is also fine. Why I'm copying is
No, how you are
now
copying?
how.
Hmm.
How means Control
The,
Y.
okay.
Just copy. Control Y is
Okay.
used in SAP. If I want
Hmm.
to copy this like normal, Control C. But to
Okay.
select Control Y, selection is
Okay.
Control Y. Copying is Control C only.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now go to recordings. Yes. Now go for create recordings.
Hmm.
Okay. Here you provide a recording name.
Hmm.
Okay. I'll provide G1. Okay.
Hmm.
HKR I'll provide like this. Okay.
Hmm.
Create equipment. Okay. G1 hyphen HKR. If name is not suitable, it'll tell us. Okay. Owner is like user ID.
Hmm.
Okay. Who is creating? He'll be the owner. Okay. Now continue.
Hmm.
Okay. The name G1 is unacceptable and must be changed. Okay. I'll put like something like this. G1 HKR. Yes. Now transaction code. What you want to do in this? Okay. I01, example say I02, and
Hmm.
then like all master data, whatever you want to create in a mass way.
Hmm.
Okay. You want to change certain entries in your orders. That time I should
Hmm.
go for IW32, like that it
Okay.
is. Okay. Now I'll go for IE01. This
Hmm.
is the transaction code. Continue. Now that particular transaction code, it will open.
Hmm.
Okay. Now you're in a recording method.
Hmm.
Correct. Now after this, press enter. Now here, normally how you're going to create an equipment? Nothing, right? Here, just we are giving a valid on date and equipment category over here. And it
Yes.
is an internal number. We are not entering anything, just like press enter. Okay. Next here,
Hmm.
enter. Okay. Diesel generator.
Hmm.
It could be like 110 kVA.
Okay.
Example. Okay.
Hmm.
This I'm going to give as a description over here.
Hmm.
And then next, what I'll go here. You should not press F4 over here button.
Okay.
Okay, system will get confused again, like in all this in drop down. Okay,
Hmm.
F4 means nothing but a drop down over here. Okay, you should
Okay.
not get, you can press a space bar. Okay,
Hmm.
recently entered and all, it will be visible for you. But in my
Okay.
case, like my laptop, it doesn't work. That's why I am going to
Hmm.
copy, paste over here. Okay, never you like remember this point. You should not press like F4 button or this drop down button.
Okay.
System will get confused. Okay,
Hmm.
so go for your object type. You can enter this object type. Okay, yeah. Now authorization group. Normally we'll provide this particular authorization group. Weight some 1000 kg. I'll put this dimension 10 by 10 by 10. Okay,
Hmm.
some startup date. I'll put today's date.
Hmm.
Yeah, manufacturer. Whichever mandatory fields as per the
Hmm.
client, you are going
Hmm.
to fill that particular thing. Okay,
Okay.
manufacturer country. Yeah, model number.
Hmm.
Yeah, construction year. Yes, part number.
Hmm.
Okay, some serial number.
Hmm.
Yes, go for your whatever is necessary. Only those things we are going to fill. Okay, location, maintenance plant, 1000. Here again, location, some production area. Here some plant section. Okay, here some BC indicator. Go for your organization tab. Okay, cost center. I have to mention. Okay, planner group. Okay,
Hmm.
some 101 planner group. Main work center. Okay, some 5000 here 1000. Okay,
Hmm.
if you know catalog profile, that also is fine. Okay, now structure. Here to mention this particular structure, right? What
Hmm.
functional location? Just like I'll copy this
Ah.
one and I'll paste over here. Okay,
Hmm.
continue. You want to give anything? Technical identification number, TG.
Hmm.
Okay, you know what is the purpose of this technical identification number, right?
Hmm.
Identification number, whatever you are given in the drawing, okay, detail
Hmm.
engineering drawing, that it can be mentioned, or whatever
Hmm.
in plant side, whatever they are calling, that particular thing you can provide over here.
Okay.
Okay, this much is sufficient.
Hmm.
Okay, to create an equipment. So save it. Now you remember, save it. Okay, see, there is a field, whatever fields you have entered, only that
Hmm.
fields will be appear now.
Okay.
Okay, see
Hmm.
SAP 512
Hmm.
diesel generator,
Hmm.
manufacturer, all those stuff, serial number,
Hmm.
construction, this thing. Okay, place, country. year. Okay, all those things. Here you press default all. Okay, category, everything, unit of weight, size, dimension, only those things will be there. Only those things you are going to enter. Now save it. Okay, come back. Got it? Again, look, you come back, double time. Yes, and now you have to execute it.
Okay.
Continue. See, there are 14 steps in LSMW. Okay, in LSMW, there are 14 steps. Okay, you have to follow those 14 steps. Okay, to complete your LSMW.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Now go for your object overview. Yeah, no target, come back. Okay, here you execute. Okay, you want to execute that first. Okay, first point. Then here go for your change. Okay, now here what method you have to select?
Recording.
Standard batch input recording method. Here I have mentioned, right? Batch input recording method. I'm going to select this batch input recording method. What is your recording? What name you have given? That particular name. See, recently saved got G1 HKR, so it has automatically come up.
Okay.
Recently one. So save it. Come back. Go for your maintain object attribute. Now it will be there. Object overview. Go for your object overview. Okay. Go for your table. Okay. These are the fields which you have entered. Only that fields needs to be filled.
Okay.
Okay. Example, say after some time, user will tell, I want this field also, inventory number, which we didn't add in the recording part.
Yes.
Okay, that we cannot add in this particular template. Again, you have to go for a new project.
Okay.
Okay, that is a disadvantage of LSMW. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, or else you want to go with a new project and do everything. Or else in new project you create, in that only this field needs to be entered, only create a project for entry of only this field.
Okay.
Now these many fields are there, right? Instead of that, you are going to make a project only for this field.
This field.
Okay, so have a clarity, means you have to sit with a client and discuss and do it. Okay, it happens, but still. Yeah, got it? Yes, whatever mandatory fields and all, that needs to be. So only those fields are there. So copy it from here, date valid from equipment category. Okay, Control Y. Again, selection for this particular selection. Okay, come back here, technical identification. Copy these things, go for your templates. Okay, here, see, I'm going for this. I'm copying all these things. Yes, now at the same time, you can create another one sheet. Here I'll mention template. Okay, with this template, what you have to do, go and paste now. Paste special. Insert. Okay, it is not there. 1 second. Copy these things again. Go for this. Go for paste special. Okay, here you paste it in transpose. Yeah. Now this will become a template for you. Okay, so who will fill this particular template now?
Client.
Client, user. Okay, technical person. Technical person will fill the templates. Got it? Here the 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, some 5. Yeah? We'll have some 6 or whatever, 6 or 7. Like that, we'll fill it. Yeah. Now here it should be a character format. This I don't require. Okay, name. Okay, for this thing. Then I require this as in characters. C. Okay, got it. I'll copy and here I'll paste it. I'll tell you why. Okay, later on. In next field, like I require these things. That's why. Delete it. Paste it. Yes. Yeah, this much like I have done it. Now I'll start like filling the template. What is your date valid from? Today date or whatever date you require. Correct. Copy this, paste it. Just check this format. Okay, everything should be proper. In this example, say in the date format, I'll put something else, character. What is your character format? Okay, data type. Data type is date. I cannot put a
Character.
characters over here. Okay, system will throw an error. When you give this template, right, our job is to cross check it. It will be in thousands of that one.
Okay.
Okay, so in Excel sheet, you have to check like whether everything is there or not. So better you should circulate with this. This field name is not required. We have seen the field name, right? Hearst. Okay, some manufacturer, Surge and all. You remember, you might have remember this
Yes,
class and
yes.
characteristics. Okay, that is not required, but still at least like this one. Okay, what it is, dates and how much character it should be. Okay, so that like user will understand only with this much characters I should give. If you go beyond your 30 characters, it doesn't take. So that limit also. So you should first template. Always like you fill first row.
Okay.
Okay, and circulate the template to them. Okay, got it? Yeah, so that they will be, it will be easier for them to fill it. Okay, category I'm giving it as M. Next, like you go for object authorization group. What is my authorization group? Maintenance. Okay, 3000 I'm giving. What is my weight of the object? Example, say some 500, some 150, something, whatever in real time, exact, it will be there. Okay. Unit of weight. Okay, what it is? Some kg. Okay, got it. Then go for your size. Okay, something like that. Just for our easiness, like I'll maintain something like this. Okay, startup date of the technical object. Okay, I'm providing this startup date. Yeah, everything you got copied. Then type of technical object. What is my type? 512, right? Everything like let it be a diesel generator. Yes, next like it is manufacturer. Copco. Then what else is there? I don't remember. Kirloskar. Siemens also does. Siemens. Next.
Wärtsilä. WAR. SILA.
SILA. Okay. Then I'll copy this and I'll paste this. Okay, over here. Country. I'll put some countries. Yeah, got it. And then manufacturer of model number. Okay, something like this. 80 model number. Okay. Then next go for year of construction. 2022. Whatever year, like you can provide that. Month of construction. Let it be this tool. Select this. Okay. Next it is my part number. And then I'll give this particular number like this. It is all the like 30 characters. It's the free text. Okay. Manufacturer again, like some serial number. You have to consult the user. Okay, for this. Whether they require or they don't require, it is not for one, right? That's why. Okay, whether they are maintaining in the client is maintaining it or not, all those things you should ask them. Normally it won't be done, means so much of some lakhs of equipments will be there if it is a big plant. If it is a small plant for the ISO purpose and all, they'll maintain actually. Some clients, okay, small clients. Yeah, description of your diesel generator. A diesel generator. I put some 120 kVA. Okay, 110 like I done it, right? So
Mm.
I'll go in this sequence. 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Okay.
Mm.
What is this next one? Valid from date. Okay. This
Yes.
particular equipment is valid from date. You take this particular date. Yes, and paste it. Yeah, next like maintenance plant. Go for your location. What is my location? Production area, right?
Mm.
I guess. What is my plant section? Again, some 101, something like that. Okay, what is my ABC indicator? You
C.
can create like some C,
Uh,
correct?
yes.
C or B or whatever, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'll maintain some B somewhere. Okay.
Mm.
Company code, of course, it is 1000.
Mm.
Yeah, our job will be like checking itself, like it will take so much of time. Okay,
Mm.
put all formulas and check it in real time. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
maintenance planning plant, planner group. Okay, somewhere like I had mentioned all the planner groups. Let me copy these things.
Mm.
Okay, main work center. Okay, in real time, actual work centers will be put.
Mm.
Okay, plant associated with that particular work center. Okay, functional location. Again, like we have copied this. For meantime, I'm maintaining the same functional location for
Mm.
all these things. Mhm. Oh, sorry. Functional location. Okay, what is this? Date on which the installation, huh? Same date I'll mention. Okay, time. I'll mention some time. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
installation time. What is my technical identification?
Education.
Okay, now two things like about this LSMW.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, one is only fields whatever we have entered in the recording, only those fields are copied as a
Okay.
template.
Mm.
Correct.
Mm.
If middle, I cannot change anything.
Okay.
Okay, I should go for a new project again. Okay,
Mm.
that you remember, right? Yes.
Mm.
Now what I'll do, I'll copy this everything.
So first
Okay,
column is still there, na?
where?
No,
Yeah,
no, in Excel.
Excel. Okay, that
First
is
column
everything
is
is there.
empty.
I'm copying only the data,
Okay.
whatever we have entered the data. Okay,
Mm.
now what I'll do, I'll go for new. Here I'll go for notepad. Okay, that's the document. Here I'll put our G1 HKR.
Mm.
This is my project. So I'll copy paste over here.
Mm-hmm.
So file, save on the desktop, close it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, now I'll go for my steps, whatever my steps are there. This I have copied it. Now I
Mm.
have to maintain source, like structure I have to maintain. Okay, in
Mm.
the source, what will be my structure? Okay,
Mm.
correct.
Mm.
Now I'll go for that particular structure. What is this structure means? We'll create one structure over here. Okay, select this, execute this particular structure.
Mm.
Okay, go for your edit mode. Go
Mm.
for your structure, create a structure. Here, source structure. What will be your source structure? Again, you have to create
Mm.
HKRG1.
Okay.
Okay, create equipment.
Mm.
If any issue, it will show. Okay, don't worry.
Mm.
Yes, here my source structure is this. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, the data saved.
Mm.
Create my source structure. Now maintain the source fields, how my source fields will be there.
Okay.
Okay, that go for this, go for your edit mode,
Mm.
select this particular table maintenance.
Okay.
Okay, go for your table maintenance. That's why I copied your field name and type of the character and length.
Mm.
Okay, three things. Okay, always your character, it should be in C format.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I copied all these three things. Here we should not miss anything. Okay, whatever my source is there, right? Source structure we created with respect to these are the fields. It'll match over there. See, example say date is there. Yes, it is there. In my template also there is a date.
Date,
Okay, that
yes.
structure and this field should be matched.
Okay.
Okay, whether you have copied everything, you have to check that. See, till company code only we have copied. That mistake we should not do, because it will take whatever it is possible, right? In front page, I can see only that much it will be taking. Okay, so I have to paste everything. So till company code I'm there, BUK RS
BUKRS.
here. Okay, rest everything again like you copy. Got it? See, test TID NR is my last. Always you cross check this in real time. It looks very simple. Okay, but in real time we do these mistakes. Yeah, now save it. Come back. Okay, save it, come back. Now automatically it will come to second step. Maintain structure relationships. Okay, now you have to maintain this structure relationships. Okay, go for your edit mode, select this particular thing, relationship, create relationship. Your source structure is already assigned to your target structure. It is assigned now. Okay, source structure and your target structure, whatever is there, that everything is assigned it. Okay, save it, come back. Now you have to maintain field mapping and conversion rules. Okay, that select this, go for this, go for your edit mode. Okay, select this. Okay, now go edit where it is there. Yeah, auto field mapping. Okay, go for your extras. Here you have to maintain auto field mapping. Okay, this is important thing. Yeah, got it? Auto field mapping here. Okay, continue. Here, accept the proposal. Okay, what the first field, valid on date. Second, equipment category, authorization group. Okay, gross weight, every field it will show, size, dimensions, everything you have to accept it. Okay, accept the proposal, accept the proposal. Planning, blend planner group, work center, function locations, date, time, technical identification number. This will be the last. Auto field mapping complete. Got it? Save this, come back. This step is not required. User defined routines and all not related to us. Okay, go for your specify files. You have to specify now the file where you have saved it. Execute it, go for edit mode, select this, okay, or you can double click. Okay, legacy data. Legacy data means what? Conventional method.
Original data.
Oh, original means on the past means data. Whatever is there in this SAP, that is your SAP data. Apart from SAP data, everything is a legacy data. Okay, now go for your file where you have maintained the file. Okay, in the desktop, like our file is there, correct? In the desktop. Then what name like we had given? G1 HKR. G1 HKR. Okay, you can mention G1 HKR name. Yes, everything is in tabulators, tables only, right? So we have to select like tabulator. Everything is in tabulator. Okay, continue now. Got it? This much we have done it. And save this particular thing. Data saved. Come back. Now you have to specify. You have specified it. Now we have to assign the files. Okay, go for your edit mode. See, select this assignment you do. Okay, file has already been assigned to your source structure. Now this file is assigned to your structure, source structure. We had created, right? Source structure HKR G1. Yes, now it has been assigned. Save this, come back. Now you have to read that particular data. Okay, system has to read that particular data. Okay, select this, execute, allow. Yeah, now it has read. How many rows were there? 7 rows were there, right? So 7 documents it has been read. If any error, it will show here itself, not written. Okay, records not written, it will show like some 3, like that. Okay, you should check your data, whatever you have created. Got it? Save this, come back, display your red data, execute this. Okay, whatever you want to do, you have to display that particular red data. Here you can see the display red data. Everything for equipment category, whether it is your data, whatever you maintained is correct or not. Start update. Okay, see your object type. Okay, whether your date is correct or not. Whether your technical identification number is correct or not. Okay, whether your planning plant is correct, plan group is correct, main work center, that data it will show. If it is iPhone and all, something issue with your data. Okay, hyphen dash, it has not read it properly. Okay, that you have to check once. Okay, come back. Here you are converting the data to the SAP. Okay, in its SAP language. How many datas are converted? 7 datas. Whether it is correct? Yes, of course, correct. Come back. Come back.
Okay.
Now you display the converted data. This is important step. Okay, if you got a time, just go through this once. Okay, every time when you are doing in real time, right? Everything is correct or not. Means whatever you're displaying here, right? Only that particular data will be uploaded over there. Okay. See, 512. Only this it will go to the system. Siemens, it will go to the system. Okay, year of construction, this particular thing is there. Okay, now everything is fine. Yes, you can cross check it. Now sample we are doing. Not everything we cannot do it, but sample at least like we can do it. Yes. So come back. So come back. Yeah, create your batch input session. There will be you have to create on batch input session. For this input session, you are going to create on folder for it. Okay, it will be saved. Later on, you can come back and check it. Yeah, batch input session executed. One batch input folder with 7 transactions got created. Yes, go ahead.
So if something went wrong in between, suppose that we are checking that, okay, this data is not correct, then we have to go to step 1 or we can
That
do that.
I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Okay. Now, whatever we have done, that these many steps are auto steps, correct? With your recording. System is not bothered about your template. Correct. Now from here, if you do anything, this is correct. Normally, when you are doing it, you will be doing with one file, right? You won't be doing like with many. Only with one file you are going to do it. So with one file you can check it easily, right? Then you are circulating that template to the client. Client may give like some thousands, it keep running. So 10,000 you have to equipments you have to create. Now you have tested your template, everything. Once it correct, only that particular, see now everything is successful, then only I'll circulate this particular template with this first data so that they'll come to know. Correct. Else like I don't do it. I don't circulate it. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah. Now I have created a batch input session. Now I have to run that particular batch input session. Correct. Execute it. Okay. See, there are like equipment. This particular session is there. Okay. This is the one, right? 27th date. I have to select this. Go for your process.
Okay.
Got it? Yes. Now here system will ask what method, what processing mode you want to select. Go for process foreground, display errors only, background job. Okay, it'll ask. Okay, process foreground means whatever the system is get uploaded, everything you can see step by step. When you press OK, then only it will go forward, like that it is.
Okay.
Okay, if it is few documents, then go for this process bar foreground. If it is like means examples, say if any errors you want to see. Okay, if there is an error, only it will take you. Example, say some wrong data you have maintained in organization tab. Okay, that time it will go for display errors only. That particular page only it will take you directly. If there is an error, go for background job. Everything in background, only result you can see at last. If it is an error, it will be an error. If it is positive, it will be positive. Nothing else you can see. Everything it will run in a background. So always go for display errors only. Okay, if there is an error, then only it will take you to that particular one. We'll see these examples. Yeah, now I'm going for this particular example. Display errors only. Process it. Okay, installing, see, installation but dismantling time is in the future time. Okay, this 10 time is there, no, it is in future time. Okay, means it system is taking something else time. Okay, better you give 12. Okay, midnight job means it will be in the past. Okay. Now again for the second one, it is showing me error. That's why you should go for this display. Okay, correct. Go for this again. Yeah, we are going to do 7 times. Got it?
Yes.
See, this is called display errors only. If there is an error, then only it will show. Else like it won't show. Only error with that particular field. That's why it is showing that. Processing of batch input session completed. Session overview you want to see? Yes. Select this overview. 7 transaction, any errors? 0. Okay, we have corrected it, right? It was there. If you had a run in background, then directly 7 errors it would occur.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, now in process, anything is there, overview screen. Double click on the session name.
Mhm.
IE01 processed. You want to see the log. I want to see the log. Session equipment is being processed by this username. Installation, there was an error at this particular time, 34 seconds. Installation bar dismantling is in the future date. Then we corrected it. Okay, change it to this value, particular
Mhm.
value. Then equipment got created automatically. After
Okay.
that, again, 54 second, another one equipment got
Ah,
created. Okay, everything got created. 7 transaction read, 7 transactions processed, 0 transaction with errors, 0 transaction deleted. In interview, they'll ask what a transaction code you see, like if you face any errors, SM35.
okay.
Okay, here we can see the log of
Hmm.
it. Okay, batch input session, SM35.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Hmm.
Analysis of the session.
Okay.
Analysis of session. Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah. Now I want to include like another one page. Okay, and that means another one time I want to upload the things. What I'll do just for my easiness. Where is my DG? Is there or no? Okay, I'll delete this much so that I'll have a clarity. DG. Okay, only one line item I have kept.
Hmm.
Yeah. First, I'll go for our functional locations wherever it got created, right?
Uh,
First line IH01. Okay, what is my thing? 00. Equipment installed hierarchy. I'll go
So
for
this is
this.
like if a client has an old ERP system, then we are uploading the old
Old
data
as
set.
new also, right? If it is a new, they are going for first time, then how
Then
you are
also
going to
this
create?
forward, na?
Yeah, it's there.
Otherwise, the functional consultant will be busy in creating equipments.
Equipments only. Okay, that's why. See all this 1005, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150,
Okay.
160,
Ah,
1670. Okay, you can go for anything. So you can see all these details got
okay.
uploaded. Location, okay,
Uh,
organization, structure, everything is there.
uh,
Got it?
uh,
Installation. So come back. Now what we'll do, only one equipment. Here what I'll do, till where like we have reached 120, 180, right? We'll check with 190,
hmm.
190. And this time, what I'll do, I'll put 00.
Hmm.
Okay, file, save. Okay, rest everything is okay for me.
Hmm.
Yeah, so I'll close this. Now I'll go for LSMW. Okay, whether I want to run these steps or no,
Hmm.
nothing. Specify files have specified already my path
Yes.
here, the
Hmm.
same file. If I want to go for a different file, assign file, already like I have assigned it.
Signed, yes.
Okay, just
Hmm.
go and read it directly. Select this, read the file, execute it. Okay,
Okay.
allow. Now how many entries? Only one
One.
entry.
Uh,
One entry. Come back. Okay, come back. Now display red data. Okay, display this particular thing. Okay, you can go and check.
hmm.
All details are there. 190. Okay,
Hmm.
come back. Now you have to convert the data. Okay,
Hmm.
execute it. Now I have converted one data.
Hmm.
Come back. Okay, come back. Display the converted data.
Hmm.
Okay, this is my display. This is most important step. Okay, everything got converted. Okay, create batch input session. I have created one batch input session with one transaction code. Run my
Hmm.
batch input session. Okay, now process, select this, process it. First one. Here now I'll go for background one thing. Okay, because like I'm confident that no errors will come. See,
Hmm.
one sessions transfer to background processing.
Have we
Okay, it will
changed the
take time.
date?
What date? Time.
Time. We
Time.
have
Time we
changed.
changed, right? Yes. We changed the time. See, whatever, you don't worry about that. Let it be like wrong. Okay,
Okay.
we'll see that background processing. If it is a wrong, it will be wrong. See, one
Okay.
session transfer to background processing. It will wait.
Hmm.
Got it?
Hmm.
Now we have to wait for that particular session. Okay, it will take some time. Now you have to wait. SM35. Once it is processed, it will come. Yeah, it got processed. One transaction,
Hmm.
0,
Hmm.
continue 2. Okay, double click on this. Means processed, log created. Yes, one transaction read, one transaction processed. It is 0 with errors. Transaction was successful. This is my equipment number. Okay, you can go and check over here.
Hmm.
So 190 will come now. Where it is? 190 has come. That is here. Nothing you will come to know. If it is an error, it will be an error. It won't ask you to correct it.
Okay.
Okay. You know, like correction part, right? Means again,
Yes.
like what I'll do, I'll go for this particular. Where is my, yeah, 200, 200. Yeah, save it. Yes. Now I'll keep like same error. Okay, I'll
Hmm.
keep like 10 o'clock error. Okay, save it. Now we have seen the display errors only, right?
Yes.
Directly it will take me to that particular page. Now I can correct it.
Hmm.
Correct. Now you execute. Now again read the data. Okay, it has been read. Okay, one,
Hmm.
come back, display the red data. Okay, you can check this particular red data. Now it is 10 o'clock.
Hmm.
Correct. Come back. Now convert that particular data. Okay, converted. Come back. Now display that converted data. Okay, it has been displayed. Okay, create a batch input session. It got created. Okay, come back. Now run the batch input session. Okay, process it. Now we'll see the process foreground, how it works. Okay, display means if it is an error, directly it will take you to that error. Okay, else it doesn't take you. Okay, now process foreground. See, everything it will show in your in
Hmm.
front of you. Okay, if you press S, then only it will go. What is your red color? Red is our entries.
Okay.
Okay, go for this. Say entries. Okay.
Hmm.
Now when you're pressing OK, it will take you. Okay,
Okay.
go OK. Now it will ask for the error.
Hmm.
Okay. Now see, you have to correct this particular error.
Hmm.
Okay. Continue. Continue. Process
Hmm.
batch input session completed. Session overview. Go for your session overview again. This error. Okay. Here. Got created. 7107. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. This is your 200. Again, it will be there. Yeah.
Hmm.
This and this. Like if errors are not there and you are confident, then you
Hmm.
can go with anything.
Okay.
Okay. See now again, like I'll run this. I'll go for 210. Okay.
Hmm.
I'll go for this 00. Then go for your save the file. Yeah.
Hmm.
Now go for your analysis. Anything you can go for. LSMW. Execute. Read the file. Allow.
Hmm.
Read it. Come back. Display the red file. Come back. Come back. Convert this data. Converted. You want to display that converted data. Then convert it. Yes. Go for your batch input session.
Hmm.
Okay. Create this particular batch input session with one character. Okay. One transaction. Then select this process foreground. Now everything is fine. This
Hmm.
and this, there should not be any difference now.
Hmm.
Okay, no errors, right? It should not display any errors. If there is no errors, then everything is fine. Directly this report will come.
Okay.
So always like advisable is go for display errors only. If it is an error, you can see it.
Hmm.
Okay, for process foreground, if it has 10,000, everything
Hmm.
you have to press OK, OK, OK. Doesn't make
Ah.
any sense.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, don't
Okay.
go for background. If you're pretty confident that it is fine, then go for a background. It will be
Okay.
again waste of time. If any errors are there, system
Hmm.
won't give you a chance to correct it.
Okay.
Okay, understood. Yeah, this covers like your LSMW topic. Now, next thing is you go for an
Okay.
notification process. Okay, you want to create your own notification. Then go
Mm.
for your SPRO, go for your SAP reference IMG,
Mm.
go for your plant maintenance and customer service, go for your maintenance and service processing.
Mm.
Okay, go for your maintenance and service notifications. Go for your
Okay.
notification creation.
Yeah.
Okay, go for your notification types. Okay,
Okay.
you can create your own type. That's why I said during interview, you should not tell M1, M2, M3
Okay.
because you can create your own
Oh.
notification type. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah. Now go for your new entries. Okay,
Mm.
what is your notification type? I'll put like AV.
Mm.
Okay, your name, I'll put like maintenance request.
Mm.
Yeah, origin, like I'll put general maintenance notification.
Mhm.
Okay, a catalog profile, always we should go with general catalog profile. You should not select any other catalog profiles already created. Why means when you go for an, I'll go for another one session. I'll
Mm.
open another one. Okay, equipment. Uh, some standard notification type. Okay,
Mhm.
here, see, come down. Object part is there. Here it
Yes.
is empty
Yes.
and go for it. All catalogs like you can see under this.
Yes. Uh,
Correct.
uh,
All code groups you can see under this particular catalog. Okay,
uh,
if you select like by default for some for notification type, only that you can see
that catalog.
for
Okay.
all notifications. Okay,
Mm.
that is not a standard procedure.
Okay.
Okay, so always go for your general catalog profile. this
Okay.
this much data is sufficient. Go and save this particular thing. Okay,
Mm.
go for your new entries. Okay, it's an SPRO.
Mhm.
Create notification.
Yes. Uh,
Okay,
mm.
G1 HKR I'll put.
Mm.
Yes, save it. Notification type like you have created. Now we have to example say, I'll cancel this. Go and create a notification.
Notification.
IW21. Create your notification type AV. What it is telling? Number range for notification type AV not maintained. If you maintain number range, again some other error. Some other
Mm.
means we have to do the all configurations with respect to this particular notification type now.
Okay.
Okay. Everything
Mm.
like we have to do it.
Mm.
Got it?
Okay.
Yes. Save it. Come back. Now come back. Go for your screen templates. We have to design certain screen templates for it. What is
Okay.
your notification type? AV.
AB.
Okay. Yes. For this, there are no screens designed for this. We have to
Mm.
design the screens. Correct. So I'll go for this particular notification type. IW21. Okay. Of M1.
Mm.
Yes. See what are the screens are the notification, reference object, malfunction, location data. These many screens we have to design.
Okay.
Now, special thing is what we know, a reference object, responsibilities, and some subjects and this thing. Okay,
Mm.
now thing is, when I'll create any notification, okay, in
Mm.
a create mode, okay, who will generate this particular notification? Example, say production team.
Mm.
Yeah, he doesn't want all these screens to be seen
Okay.
when he is creating something or anyone creates something because minimum details he'll put. Okay, he'll
Ah.
put like something has happened and equipment and he'll fill this and he'll fill that. Okay, maximum we can have a measuring reference object.
Mm.
Correct?
Mm.
Okay, but unclear. When he's going for the change mode, means someone opens in a change mode of that particular notification, then you should be able to see all the screens.
Yes.
Okay, in interview they'll ask whether you can do it as a
Mm.
standard configuration or it is a technical requirement. Means you require
Okay.
an ABAP help. Okay, your answer should be it's the standard requirement.
Okay.
Okay, means through standard SAP configurations you can achieve that. Okay,
Okay.
your answer should be that also will include in this particular configurations and we'll see now. I'll go for
Mm.
new entries. What is my first thing? Okay, what is
Mm.
my first what I can tell? First screen.
Mm.
Okay, what is my first screen? Can you remember? No.
Notification.
Yeah, notification screen, right? Okay. See, now I'll have activity category. Whatever I said just now, right? That during
Okay.
creation you require that. Okay, you can
Mm.
have it during addition one.
Yes.
Okay, got it?
Mm.
Yeah. Now next, like you go for the tab, which tab like you require. Okay,
Okay.
notification tab.
Mm.
Okay, this is standardly configured, right? Any
Mm.
name like you want to give, you can give our own name or
Okay.
the name mentioned in that particular tab, right? This particular thing, it will come. If you keep it as a blank, here this name will come over here
Okay.
automatically as a here. See it,
This was
notification 1. Or you want your own name, you can keep it this way. Got it? Yeah,
Yes.
and activate this as a tab. Then see screens are there, editable. Now you have to select the screens. What screens are there? There are certain reference object, responsibility, subject, okay, item. 4 screens are there. Reference object is this. Okay, go for the screen 2, screen area 2. Then you can have a responsibilities. Okay, another one screen. You can have what else? System, right? This one, subject bar long text. Okay, another one screen. You can go for item plus causes. Okay, this one. I have this item plus causes. Okay, you want to have any other screen, you can have it. Okay, over here as per the user requirement.
Okay.
Yes, go and save it. Now one thing we have done, another one thing what I'll tell you. See, instead of again creating, I want this particular thing during creation. In change mode and again like display mode also I require. Okay, same screen should be visible, right? If I don't give, only during a creation mode it will be visible.
Okay.
During other time it won't be visible. So I require during display and change mode also. So what I should do, again I have to create. Okay, that time what I should give, I'll tell you. Again I have to create. Instead of that, same thing, right? So I'll copy this, save as. I'll
Okay.
select this, save as. Okay, here what I'll do, I'll remove this.
Ah.
If I don't give anything, then it will be available during your change mode and display mode also. Of course,
Okay.
doing addition also. Okay, it will
Yeah.
be there. Understood? Now everything
Yes.
is same. Enter, go for like, saved it. Okay, activate this tab. Now I'll go for the new tab. Okay, here again, like I'll go for the second tab. Second tab also it should be visible. Or to the only during addition. Okay, now what is my tab? Second tab. Tab 02, additional
Okay.
data 1. Okay, here like what I should mention, example say anything like reference object. We can give as a reference object. Got it? Activated as a tab. Okay, enter. Now this is editable. What are there? Go for this reference object, start bar end dates and your parties. Okay, response. Start bar end dates. Okay, where is your start bar end dates? Start dates and end dates. Okay, go for the other one. What is this? Partner overview screen. Okay, save this particular thing. Come back. Now I require the same. Okay, copy as. I'll remove this. Okay, during change mode and also I require this particular reference object. Okay, again go for the new entries. Okay, next everything like I require in change mode, right? Change and display mode. So I'm not giving anything over here. Only during first one I have kept like as a configuration. Only these two should be visible. Rest everything during your change mode and display mode, not during your creation mode.
Yes.
Okay, I'll go for malfunctions. Okay, what is my malfunctions? Go for your tab. Third tab like I should go for. Okay, what is my third tab? Malfunction data. Where is your malfunction data? Here. Okay, malfunction data. Here I want to give any name. Yes, I'll give this malfunction data. Okay, activate it as a tab. When I press enter, see nothing is coming over here. Okay, it is grayed out. See, go for malfunction data. There is start date, end date, and breakdown. But still, like how I can configure means it is already configured inbuilt.
Okay.
Okay, when you select this particular thing will come as a by default.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to save it. Go for this. Go for your new entries. Okay, another one tab. What is my next tab? Location. Okay, tab 6. Yes, location. Location tab. Activate it as a tab. Okay, enter. See, everything internally configured already. Come back. Go for your new entries. Go for your tab. Again, after your location, what is there? 7th dates are there. Correct. 7th dates. Activate it as tabs. Dates or some else you want to keep any other name, you can keep it. Save this, come back, go for your new entries. Okay, this one tab again, like another one tab is what your I'll show you items. Okay, here items. Okay, You can go for your items. Okay, now I want to give this items, activate this as a tab. Okay, enter, save this. But in this items, if you have observed, there is another one, tabs.
Sub.
Again, see, yeah, sub tabs. Okay,
Hmm.
causes, task, activity, how to configure those things. Okay, see, come back, go for new entries, go for your tabs. Here there is something called 20, say 20. Okay, if we select this item overview, causes, task and activity, you have to select all this stuff.
Okay.
Okay, items, activate this tab, enter, save it. Okay, how it will go and sit over here only, that is configured in a program. It
Okay.
is written such a way, it will go and sit over there only. Okay, go for this, go for your tab. Okay, causes. Okay, activate it as a tab, like save it, come back, go for your new entries, go for this, tasks, activate it as a tab, come back, go for your new entries, go for your tab, activities, activity, activity, activate is in tab, save this, come back. Okay, what else is there? Finished. Then go for tasks and activities. Go for your new entries, go for your tasks, normal task. Okay, what is your task? 11. Yeah, task, activate it as in tab, save this, come back, go for new entries, go for your tabs. Okay, what else is there? Activities, correct? Activities is 12, activity, okay, and save it. Okay, all tabs are finished, so come back. Now we have done the screen templates, all screens we have done it. Okay, here there is another one, configuration settings. We have seen that test one. If I put enter, now I'll save this. Okay, again I'll go for the change mode. See whether I can edit it. No. Okay, I said like during classes it is in configurable settings, right? Go for your define long text control for your notification types. Go for position. What is your notification type? AV. Okay, select this, go and go for this. See, there should be a log line. Log means log should be created at what date and time. Okay, no text change. There should not be text. Both we should select. We cannot select one and we cannot leave it blank. Both should be the combination we have to select. Okay, select it. Okay, save it, come back. Okay, we have done that particular setting. Now go for your field selection. You know this particular field selection. Okay, but there are like so many. From where you go for influencing, go for your notification type. Here you press AB. Okay, next you can go for some configuration settings. I'll put some description, anything like you can choose. Just for our easiness, I'll go for description. Okay, so many are there. How to find the field? You know that. Go for this field, press F1. Okay, go for your technical information. Here you can find the field name, QM text. VIQ MEL is table name, field name is QM text. Okay, what is my field name? Go for this. See here, QM text. I'll make it as a required field. Okay, save it. Got it?
Yes.
Go for now number ranges. I have to provide a number range, right? For this particular equipment, these things.
Yes.
Okay. First option is go for your groups. I can go for new number range, create a group name, provide a group name, and provide from number and to number range. Okay, but it should not be an overlap. Here also I'll give the same number, and already like M1 is having some name, same number. It should not be there.
Okay.
Some or other time like this number will come, right? It will be an overlap, it will become 1 same thing. So that is in real time there won't be an issue because it's a practice server. Everyone cannot create a number range. Okay. So better go for in. Oh, again it got SPRO. Go for SAP reference IMG. Go for your plant maintenance and customer service. Go for your maintenance and service processing. Go for your maintenance and service notifications. Go for your notification creation. Okay, go for your notification type. Go for your numbers, define number ranges. So what I'll do, our like new one is in non-assigned elements. See here AV. Okay, now I have to assign the same number range which M1 got already. Okay, maintenance notification M1, M2, M3, everything is there. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go for this. You remember this names, internal, select this, go for your assign element group. One option is this, you can assign to that. Okay, another option, existing one. If you have created new one, then select that new one and assign it. Okay, now I want to assign it to the same as an internal notifications. Okay, this one M1, M2, M3. So continue. Now here see non-assigned, it has not gone, it has vanished from here and it has joined this particular group. Now you want to see the number range of this group, double click on this, of course save changes. See, this is my number range. Okay, same number range, it will be assigned. So come back this way, you can assign that. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, allowed notification change. Okay, this is some special topic. Okay, what it is there, once you create any notification, now I want to change this notification type. Okay. In interview they'll ask, you can tell yes, but we are not using in our company. Okay, normally all different notifications you're going to create, right? So very rare it will be used, but whether it is done, yes, of course. What is the procedure? Go for your SPRO, allowed change of notification type, it should allow. Okay, select this. Okay, go for new entries. What is your original notification type you have created? AV. I have to change it to M1. Okay, example say M1 I have created and I have to change it to AV. This way, target notification type. Okay, certain configuration needs to means technical it should be their server. Okay, else like we cannot do it. But this is the configuration setting. Prerequisite we have to do it. Okay, now assign notification to order type. When we'll create one notification on here order type, this type it will ask. Okay, whether we can use that to that or not. So that is the configuration, order type by notification type. Go for your position, AV. Okay, what notification type? I want to create it for PM01 notification type. Okay, so save it. This is one notification. Okay, configuration settings. Yeah, go for notification content. Here you have to maintain catalogs, display catalogs, define catalog profiles, Now change catalogs and catalog profile for your notification types. I should assign, right? With respect to my notification type, I should assign a catalogs. I have done it. General catalog profile already I have assigned in notification type. You have seen that, but catalogs I didn't assign. What should be my catalogs? Object parts B. Next, yeah, object part.
Object
In that
activity C.
C, yeah, BC. C is what?
Problem.
C is problem. Next, 5 is cause. Okay, task is 2. A is activity. A is activity. Okay, these are the things catalogs like I have assigned and save it. Else like that particular page doesn't appear over here. Okay, this one. Got it? This is on configuration setting. Come back. Now what else is there? Partners is there. Define partner determination procedure and partner functions. You can go for this partner determination procedure. Okay, you can go for partner. Here you can have it. New entries. What are your partner procedures? Standard we'll use this. Okay, go for your functions. Okay, in the department responsible, sold to party, vendor, notification procedures, everything like you have seen it. Right, partners like we can have all these things. Ship to party, everything is there. Ship to party. You want to add? Of course, we can add it. New. Okay, all this partner. This is your PM, partner determination procedure, and with respect to PM. Okay, I'm not going to change anything. If you want to, you can change. Just like assign to your procedure notification type. AV, I'll go and assign my partner determination procedure. That is your PM, plant maintenance. You want to create and assign it? Of course, you can create your own and you can assign it. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, assign partner functions to this. Already it is there. You can go on for AV and see plant maintenance is there already. Okay, come back, close this. Okay, for this you want to have any partner data field selection, you can have it.
Okay.
Okay, now notification processing. Okay, in this like notification processing, one point is print control. We want to print the notification, right? For that you have to define a shop papers. Okay, here see define a shop papers. Normally here if you can create a new shop papers, means printing new printers it will come, but we require an ABAP help. Okay,
Okay.
create a shop papers, program name you have to write, ABAP form you have to write, and forms. Okay, description, everything you should have. We require an purely ABAP help. Then only we can configure a printer over here. Okay, in practice server, like see first 10 it is your notification type. Here description is missing. Normally in practice server it is not mentioned, but these are the printers, shop papers related to your notification, starting with the 10.
Okay.
10, okay, 10, 10, 10, 11, 20, 21, 30, 31, like that it is. Come back, now I have to assign those shop papers to notification types. Here, those many we know, right, how it will be. So what I'll do, I'll go for new entries, here a document type. Okay, what document type like is AV. Shop paper is, I'll put like 10 star.
Okay.
Whatever 10 starting with, that it will be assigned to
Okay.
your AV. Okay.
Mm.
So instead of creating everything, like again, I have to create AV and 1010, AV 1011, AV 1020, AV 1021, like that. Instead of the 10 star, whatever
Okay.
starting with the 10, it will be assigned to that.
Mm.
Got it?
Yes.
See all the shop papers from here to here.
Mm.
Okay, it will be assigned to the notification type, AV notification type. Okay, got it? Then user status, yesterday we saw, right?
Yes.
You can create it for notification, same
Mm.
topic.
Okay.
Okay, there is something called object information. We have seen this object information, correct? Go for your notifications, go for your object information. What this information tells, how many breakdowns reported, how many processing days, completed notifications, notifications created, order completed,
Mm.
latest order, test 1, 2, 3. See
Mm.
here, test 1, 2, 3. This is your date. Last time we
Okay.
created a test for NS01, order type, something like that. Okay, so many are there.
Mm.
Okay, object information, it will give history of the object, everything. So go for your define object information key. There will be so many, you can create your new entries, go for the details part. You want to create, of course, you can create as copy as, just change the name of it.
Okay.
Okay, or else like with the same name, you can assign
Mm.
over here. Okay, assign your object information key to your notification. Go for
Mm.
AV,
Okay.
here PM
Mm.
I'll put.
Mm.
Okay, and save it.
Mm.
Got it? Yeah, these are the major whatever we do, like notifications,
Mm.
configuration settings. If one configuration setting is left, that is your overview of notification type. Okay, main page, first page during your IW21, that short it will come, right? That part. Okay, go for your AV. Okay, select this AV.
Mm.
Okay, double click on this particular thing. Go for your screen areas. Okay, in the
Mm.
header data. Okay, what screen areas like you can have for this particular thing. Okay, thought you have to put what is header maintenance notification.
Mm.
Okay, this part and screen type. What you require is function, location, equipment, and assembly. You can enter in the main screen.
Mm.
Select this and save this part. Okay, and
Mm.
here you can check the overview of it. Okay, what are the screen areas?
Okay.
1 second. Screen areas of AV. All these
Mm.
screens are configured.
Okay.
Okay, catalogs. You can see the catalogs.
Mm.
Format long text. We have done this too.
Mm.
Priority types. Okay, priority we didn't do. I'll show the priority type. Okay,
Mm.
partner determination procedure, PM we have assigned. Okay,
Mm.
status nothing. Allowed change like we have put. Okay,
Mm.
one thing is priority is there. Priority I'll show you. 1 second. Yeah, go for your notification types is done. Notification content is done. Now response time monitoring. Okay, define priorities. You know, priorities we have seen, right? Different types of priorities. First, you create any names over here,
Mm.
priority types. Okay,
Ah.
just PM priorities. This much is sufficient. Come back. Now define priority for each priority type. Okay, now standard. You can create your own, whatever is there that you select. Now
Mm.
here PM. What is your PM priorities? We'll see now.
This.
Yeah, this in somewhere we have seen or no? No, right?
High,
Yeah.
low, medium
Yes, high, low, medium. In
while creating orders.
yes. See,
Mm.
these are the priorities you can see.
Uh,
PM is if it is blank, then whatever today only I created a notification. So
mm,
today's date only it will be there. If you
mm,
go for reference object and see, say today's start date only it is there. Why?
mm,
Blank it is.
mm.
If I give like 1 day over here, one and the unit of measurement is day. 1 day means today's it will leave, next day it will take.
Okay.
Okay, like that it will be. Understood?
Understood. Yes.
Yeah, come back, go and create a new entries, go and have a new, okay, of
Mm,
AV type I'll put.
mm,
Yes, save it, save this, come back, go for your define priority for each priority type, go for your new entries, go and have a priority type, AV type.
mm.
Okay, priority is what? 1. Any name you can have.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Okay, here a type of course AV, AV, AV.
Mm,
Okay, here enter
mm.
AV type. What your start date? I'll keep it like same date. Okay, if it is an high priority.
Okay.
Here I'll put very high. Okay,
Mm,
here it should be high. Here it should be like medium.
yeah.
Medium. Here it should be low.
Mm,
Okay, start date very high, same date. So I'll keep it blank. Here I'll put some 2 days. Within 2 days I have to finish. High day, 1 day I'll give gap. Today if I create my notification, tomorrow should be my start date. Here I'll
okay.
put 5. Here
Mm,
like I'll put 2 days. Here I'll put some 10 days. Okay,
uh,
here I'll put some 3 days. Here I'll put some example, say I'll show why. Okay. Here what happens, unit of measurement we can have different for a different thing, start and end date.
okay.
Okay, here what we can have example, say day. Here day. Here
Mm-hmm.
also day. Here also day. Okay,
Mm,
here what I'll do day, day, day. If it is low, I'll go for years to complete it or months.
mm-hmm.
Okay, day is there, right? Yeah, days are there. Okay, even you can have an hours also. What I'll do, I'll take it like years. If it is my low, okay, I'll take it like 1 year to complete it. Means that much of time I can leave it. Why I'm showing example, I'm showing. Don't
Okay.
forget. Okay, start date will be in hours or end date. You can keep it in hour, days, or different. You can have it just
So
to
what
show
does
that
the
example.
release start means? The
Start date.
user
Usually
will
start
release in
date.
one day, or they can release same day also.
No, release is, see, start date itself is tomorrow
Okay.
for you for high. Today I'll create, of course. My start date counts from tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, blank means
Understand.
same day start date.
Uh-huh.
Here it will. Okay, this 5 days like to commit it. So 5 days from when? Not from here.
Uh-huh.
Revision created date.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, notification. Sorry, notification created date. No, don't count from here.
Okay.
10 days, not from two after 2 days.
No,
Means
no.
your start
12
date
days.
is actually 29. It will come, right? Start date.
12 days हो जाएगा.
From 29, it is not 10 days. From today only, it is 10 days.
Okay.
Means notification created date, it will count.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? So I'll save this. I'll save this. Okay, come back. Yeah, come back. Now I have to assign for my notification type. Go for your notification type. Okay, AV.
Mm.
Yes, select this. Go for your here. You provide AV. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and assign it. Save it. Got it?
Yes.
This much is sufficient for you. Okay,
Mm.
to go ahead. Got it?
Yes.
So close this particular one. Now I'll go and create my notification.
Mm.
IW21.
Mm.
Okay, what is your notification type? AV. Enter. Okay, test for AV type.
Mm.
Yeah, what is my equipment? 0007029. Okay,
Mm.
understood. First I'll check this log. Test one. Okay,
Mm.
this much. Okay, in long text also it will be there. Don't worry. Object type, any catalogs, we'll see this. All catalogs are visible.
Yes.
Yes, I'll select this particular catalog.
Mm.
Another one, see, I'm not supposed to select everything. See, one thing you monitored, only 2 screens I can see.
Yes.
Now priorities, like we'll see very high. You want to specify new date, see today's start date after 2 days.
Okay.
Okay, high date, high priority, see tomorrow it will start date. End date is again like from 4 days we had given something, right?
Okay.
Okay, here see, go for this, some 2 days start date 29, and again 10 days from today it is 10 days. 6 plus some 3, 9, 10, something like that. Okay, go for your low priority.
1 year.
This from 30th, from next year,
Uh,
it will be next year December, from
uh,
like 1 year, 1 year it
yes.
is taking. Okay, end date, like this it is priority, how it works. And partner determination procedures. Okay, vendor, all those stuff like you can have.
Okay.
Got it?
Mhm.
Yeah. Now what he'll do, he will create this much, and whatever he means whatever details, like minimum details, he will enter and he will save it.
Save it.
Mail will be triggered to the concerned person and he will open that. Okay, manually or whatever. Okay, see now all screens,
Yes.
whatever we have done, everything is visible now.
Mm.
Okay, many people like doesn't explain this in any videos. If you see, okay, this kind of configuration, everyone thinks like in standard it is not there. Okay,
Okay.
but it is there in standard. Yes.
Mm.
Now go for this, you do analysis, you'll find out certain damage part or whatever, wherever it is there. IOC pumps overheated, what is the cause for it? Okay, you find out the cause.
So in my server, what happens?
Yeah.
You can fill multiple objects and like that, na? But if
Mm-hmm.
I click next, it is only allowing me to fill only one object or damage. So it is
Here, huh?
configured. Yes.
Go
No,
for
no,
this
no.
create item. Yeah.
Oh, create item.
Yeah,
I was
create item.
I was pressing this arrow.
No, no, no. Arrow, if you are done, then only it will be there.
Okay.
Okay, else like it won't be there.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. That time you have to see the video, right? In video, like I might have shown.
Mhm.
Yeah. Vibration. Okay. Now you see 1 and 2, it will show.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, else like it doesn't show. This is grayed out. This also see
Mm.
configuration settings we have seen, malfunction, everything screens automatically got come. We didn't select any subscreens. It is
Mm.
fully configured. If
Mm.
you go for the items, automatically these things have come up. Okay,
Yes.
correct.
Mm.
Okay. If you select this and go for the causes, like it will show what cause it is there. Okay, any tasks, any activities, like if you fill, we can fill this particular activity. Go for your activity part. I'll put this notification in process. Now I'll go for IOC, perform some alignment, and after alignment, go for your tasks, some replace bearings. Okay, select these two, then task is been released. Okay, continue. I can save this. Now he comes back, and once he performs this particular task, he will tell the system the task has been completed, black and white flag.
Mm.
Okay, now go for your activity part. What activity you have done, you can select. Okay, go for this replaced, go for your adjusted something, alignment adjusted. Okay, you can provide the start and end date time, all those things. Okay, now go for your notification tab. See here, complete the notification. All task is being completed, notification in
Yes.
process. So complete this notifications. Got it?
Uh,
Yes. Go for this, go for your create a display mode. Okay, go for your notification, go for your functions. Yeah, anything delete or like that, you can go for this particular thing. Okay, display. Got it?
mm.
Go for your change mode in process again. I want to put, then go for
Mm.
this particular notification, go for your order part. Okay, you can
Okay.
create like any order, you can create
PM01.
from here.
Default.
Yes, PM01.
Mm.
Yes. So close this. Okay,
Mm.
now notification complete means whatever configuration settings we have done, it is perfect.
Okay.
Okay, and here like it was mandatory.
Mm.
Okay, text. You can make like other fields mandatory. You don't want like it is a maintenance request. I don't want malfunction tab, then remove that particular tab.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, all those stuff like you can do it. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. This completes your LSMW configurations. LSMW topic, notification configuration topics.
Yeah.
Next class, like tomorrow, we'll take like order configurations. It will take bit of time,
Okay.
1 or 2 classes. We'll try, okay, maximum to cover
Okay.
it tomorrow. Yeah. Next, we'll go for reports, all those stuff. Yes.
Yes.
Okay then. Okay, tomorrow
Good
we'll
night.
meet. Good
Good.
night.